Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025. Welcome everybody for another exclusive YouTube video. In today's video, we are gonna just dive into the 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025, which will make you significant amount of money. And why should we exactly look basically on this 5 cryptocurrencies, and we are going to every single time check about every single factors in here. Do not miss this video. Make sure to watch till the end. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and of course just follow every single video from this YouTube, because in here you're gonna get the updated video about cryptocurrency and of course some tips and cryptocurrencies which is going to just make you significant amount of money this year. Now let's finally dive in. Well, why should we choose some coin in 2025? Why exactly it matters? Why choosing the right cryptocurrency matters in 2025? And of course, what are the market trends and the key factors driving the crypto adaptation? Why we are talking about that one? Because not every single cryptocurrencies is going to do 100% performance and having a huge potential. That is why the trends are very important, and of course the basic very thing features that we are going to just finally see, which is the factors. So why should we literally focus on some cryptocurrencies? It is because that first factor, utility, how people use it, why people use it, what is the utility and usage of this coin, and what kind of problem it solves. Adaptation or adoption, how exactly it is going to be adopted in different cryptocurrency exchanges and with people. Scalability, the market capitalization, the number of coins, and of course how much it can grow. And of course the regularity impact, like which countries are already accepting these coins as the main cryptocurrencies or some payment system related to the regularity or ETF spots. So these are the important factors that we should literally keep in mind. And now we're going to get started about our 5 different cryptocurrency coins. Well, top 5 cryptocurrency. Number 1, XRP or Ripple, because the blockchain system of XRP is fast, low cost, and of course the most important thing is that it's going to be accepted as the new payment method instead of PayPal and Swift. So XRP is going to change the payment system and solve the solution of banking system because of its fast, low cost, and it has a cross-border transactions. Number 2 is Ethereum, the second cryptocurrency created, which is having the smart contract leader and of course the major DeFi player. Like all other altcoins are literally based on the smart contract of Ethereum, and this is the leader of all altcoins. That is why it's also important to just check, and it hasn't done the high performance yet. Solana, the base cryptocurrency to watch because of high speed. Like let's say if you are sending from XRP, from Ethereum, from channeling, from Bitcoin, it will take, let's say, a minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes. With Solana, it's seconds. That is why Solana has become very popular, and based on different cryptocurrencies, meme coins created on the Solana exchange and Solana ecosystem. It makes the Solana one of the best, because the more meme coins are created on the Solana ecosystem, the more Solana will people buy, the more demand, and the more prices, the higher price it will just see, because of the high speed and low cost blockchain with growing adoption. Number 4 is Chainlink or Link. This is literally one of the cryptocurrencies which has ability for connecting the real world data to smart contracts. So it's literally solving a big problem. Like it connects the real-time data to smart contracts. It connects other cryptocurrency exchanges, other cryptocurrency operations, smart contracts, and blockchain system transactions. So that's why it's needed. And last but not least is Sui, which is basically one of the new altcoins in the layer 1 of blockchain, which has done a very great performance just in a couple of months, and it's going to be very good because the team, the community, the adoption, and of course the ecosystem and blockchain of Sui is very powerful, and it is literally scalable with DeFi and gaming focus. So it's solving a problem, it has a huge team, and of course we need to just pay attention to this amazing cryptocurrency. So these are the 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025, and of course that the moment that you're entering, if you enter properly, you will be making significant amount of money and making different and high profits just like that. And the future outlooks, I can just tell you that in just a couple of months, in 1 year or 2 years, these five cryptocurrencies are just going to be having a high growth potential because the regularity challenge, the ETF spots of each of them would be legalized like Binance and Ethereum, and because of the market volatility. So these can just be the next Ethereum, the next, let's say, Bitcoin, and even having a growth potential more than that, because these are the new cryptocurrencies with the new technology and solving the new solutions. Well, that's it from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget to watch another videos we're gonna have in the YouTube channel, and of course, do not forget to follow our social media: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram, because in each of them you will receive updated information and cryptocurrency technical analysis and different future predictions, which will help you to make significant amount of money. Do not forget to subscribe to the account and follow all our social medias. And I will see you in the next video.